Hi, um, so I'm just going to do a relatively short video today, mostly due to the fact that I got these guys here. So the Ultimate Sanders by Ultimate Modeling Products. Ultimate! And I want to quickly give them a try. So you probably notice slightly different camera angle today, just trying it out to see if it's any good. Just gonna tidy up some of the stuff in the background there. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a shot and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna continue building the. Oh god, this is really no good. Oh no, I've zoomed in. That's no. Julieta's mobile Reginlaze. Easy for me to say. So I'll just leave that off to one side for now. And what I figured I'd do to test out these sanders is I'm just going to build the head part, so where we left off last time, so just this guy here. Right. I'd like to thank all my fans in Mexico for tuning in. You know, turns out like 2.9% of you are Mexican, so thanks very much. I should have really figured out what I was going to say in your native tongue, but I haven't, so there we go. And I'm just going to film this one real time because I've had some feedback from my good friend and colleague Jack, who said he didn't like the kind of speeded up one that I did earlier on this week. So this one's for you, Jack. It's going to be pretty short though. So right, so that's where we were up to before. That's the body. Right, so this doesn't work as well because you can't really see the instructions too great. I'll see if I can put them. Yeah. The problem I was having before is everything was quite wobbly, because I was using a kind of arm thing, like a. I can actually show you. I'm not using to record with it. This guy here, so it's like a. That's the bit that grabs the phone, and then this clamps onto the desk. But then this desk, oh crap, is kind of wobbly. So, which I don't know why it's wobbly. It cost me a lot of flipping money. Cool. Anyway, let me see if I can prop you up a bit higher. Yeah, that's a bit better. Well, right, there we go. I like to have this sort of in the middle of my build area so I know that you guys can see what I'm doing. Right, so I'm looking for A1 on part A114. Right, if you've got any of my tools out. So to test these new files out, so apparently you can like just wash these and start using them again, which I don't think you can do that with the Tamiya sanding sponges. So hopefully they're good, but we'll soon find out. They were recommended to me by a friend of mine, Andy. So thanks, Andy, if you're watching. Well, I don't know if I should say thanks, but we've not tested them out yet. But hopefully they're good, and if they are good, I'll put a wee link up on the description of this video for a place where you can buy them. Right, absolutely no idea what's what, like in terms of grit. Like I don't know what that is compared to this one. Compared to that one, compared to that one. I'll try this. Oh, that seems pretty rough. I'll put that to one side. So I think this one with the circular ends is sort of the we talked about this today at work. The highest grit. So the highest one is the one that's like softest kind of thing. Yeah, it's done pretty good job. Right. So this white one seemed pretty abrasive. So these two sides are different levels, right? But this one, yeah, that one feels rougher than that one. But then it's not consistent. So this one is the rough side, and that one's the smooth side, and then this one's the rough side, and that's the smooth side. So I thought maybe the ones that had stuff printed on them were maybe the rougher sides, and that one just feels rough both sides. Yep, no, doesn't say anything on there. Right, anyway. Move those along a bit. So B13 and B15. Oh, there's a sticker goes on this as well. That's going to be the last sticker already. Brilliant. B13 and B15. Okay. They definitely seem like quite good sanding, like sanding tools. Don't know if I can get. No, it's difficult to get it to kind of get down to the fine level of detail you need to see what I'm actually doing, but yeah, they definitely seem decent. I think maybe the sort of rougher, coarser ones are maybe a little bit too abrasive for the stuff that I'm trying to do, but the kind of medium ones down seem pretty good. I said this would be pretty short, but we're already at 10 minutes, so maybe it's not going to be that short. Right, so I need my other tools now because I'm going to do a sticker. Which, I've got to say, one of my least favourite things. Because it's just your own dexterity, so and kind of a bit of luck as to where it lands. And this one is, I don't know if you can see that. So maybe getting it really, really close to the camera would help, but well, anyway, you can't see, but it's got lots of little little tabs around the edges for you to push down to kind of go around it, because it's a curved surface that you're trying to land on. I think that's pretty well done. Yeah, it's okay. Trying to put a flat sticker on a round surface is never really going to work, is it? You know what? Just give it a good old shot. Like it's the one part of the way that they design these that doesn't really work for me. Get a macro lens or something to show you guys this stuff up close. But yeah, no, that's fine. Right, so these two parts go together. How do they go together? Like that. Just realised I sanded a bit on the top there. I'm slightly worried that I've got good sanding tools and I'm just going to mess things up by sanding them too much. So, allegedly, this part's of the back, that part's of the front. I wonder if this is meant to clip in or if it's just meant to be a bit loose, but it looks like, well, I'm not actually sure. Maybe it's not meant to clip in. Actually, I think it might be. Sorry about this. This is absolutely riveting, I'm sure. Ah, yeah, there we go. Yeah, those two bits are attached now. Whoop, whoop. So this is almost finished, I promise. 14 minutes in. Right, so A1 or A8. Oh, sorry, A7 or A8. Maybe just do A8. So it's the difference between having like a fin pointing out the top or not having a fin pointing out the top. Personally, not a massive fan of them. They've got a fin pointing out the top, but it's just that's just my bag, baby. Yeah. I wonder if they'll ever bring back Austin Powers. Like that was really popular in the like early 90s, but just then died a complete death. But like I could see them bringing it back. Like it wasn't. Like I think it just went away because it wasn't popular. Like nothing bad happened. Maybe Mike Myers got bored of doing it, or maybe he made his money. Well, no, like, it can't be because he made his money, because he then made that stupid Love Guru film that nobody liked. I've never even seen it. I don't know if it's any good. Maybe it is the best film ever, but I certainly don't get that impression. Yeah, so these, compared to the Tamiya ones, like, because it's all part of a big long stick, and these have got, it's sort of difficult to tell actually, there's in between the sponge layers, there's like bits of hard plastic, so it's kind of gives you something rigid, whereas the Tamiya sponges are just all sponge, so it would just bend immediately, and these are kind of a nice wedge shape to get into, you know, hard to file parts. Oh, I've lost the rest of the head. There it is. So you go on the top. Oh, then there's another bit. Oh, this probably goes on second. A20. A220. A220. There. Tried to cut this one slightly further away so I could sand it down a bit more. I wanted quite a big bit at the end, so I thought intentionally leave a larger part at the end there to see what kind of damage it would do to the plastic. It took it off pretty quick, to be fair. Like, I can't imagine me ever needing to sand down like a couple of millimeters worth of plastic, but at least I know that's an option. Oh, it's alright, I don't see you wobbling about. There were 3 cuts on this, but I can't remember where the third one was now. Which, I mean, I suppose that's good because I can't tell where I snipped it, but the sort of good thing about this is the white plastic doesn't show up when you gouge it slightly. So, right, so this is the last sticker of the set actually, and I've still got the arms and legs and stuff to do, so it's good to know. So, the jaw, and then it goes in the bottom here. Yeah. Oh, so nearly had it there. Sometimes you get it in the exact right position, but like as soon as you move the tweezers away, it just comes with it. That looks alright. Looks right to me. And so put on the final piece, which probably comes from the front there. And it's somewhat difficult to push in. I think that's all the way there. And put on the bonnet. And we have it. And the idea is you can have it sort of in various steps of openness, like that. You can't really see the sticker, like the sticker parts inside here, but so yeah, you can have it at sort of slightly larger angle. There you go. And that's that. That's me tested these sanders out. I have to go and say they're pretty good actually. Yeah. Definitely worth the purchase if you're doing a lot of Gundam building. I mean, I'll hopefully be able to test them out in a longer term and give you like a proper rundown. The real test will be when I wash them to see what happens, because it sounds nuts to me that you can wash them and they're still working. But that's what it says right here on the back. Wash in tepid water with a drop or two of deodorant and allow to dry thoroughly. And then to save from deformation, make sure you regularly press the tips together. Yeah. Cool. Alright, cheers. This was meant to be a pretty quick video, but it actually turned out to be pretty long, like longer than my previous one. But hey, let me know what you think of this new camera angle. I don't know that I'm a fan of it, but if you guys prefer it, then we can go with that for a bit. Alright, cheers. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that motherfucking like button. Alright, thanks guys. See you later. Bye.